Jesus, I am overjoyed to meet you face to face. You've been getting quite a name all around the place. Healing cripples, raising from the dead. And now I understand you're God, at least that's what you said. So, you are the Christ, you're a good Jesus Christ. Prove to me that you're divine. Change my water into wine. That's and I'll make some fruit. Come on, King of the Jews. Jesus, you just won't believe the hit you made round here. You were all to talk about the wonder of